How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on the profile feed, make sure to switch your personal account or business account to professional account. For that, tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. To demonstrate, let me first make this account a personal account. For that, tap Create a Tools and Control and tap Switch Account Type and switch to personal account. Wait patiently. If you already have professional account, no need to do this step. So simply on the setting and activity page, scroll down. Under for professional, select account type in rules and select switch to professional account. Tap continue. Now choose what best describes you. Choose done. Wait for 30 seconds to finish. Choose whether you are a creator or business and tap the next button. Now set up your professional account and close Instagram completely. Now launch Instagram and go to the messaging icon at top right corner of the screen. Here you have to select the particular chat and tap on Move to General to remove from the primary section. As you can see that it has been successfully hidden from the primary section and moved to the general section. This way you can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.